Buy our shirts so we can afford a real dustpan.
Yes. Also, so I can be adopted once and for all.
Finally. Huh.
I'm 23, but you can still adopt me. Alright. Whip out your pecker.
No.
This is a Suck-O-Matic 5000. I tell you what, it's a brand new product. I'm gonna sell it to you right now. Bring it out.
Not one, but two. Free shipping as well.
No. This on the side right here, you only get one for the price of $600.
And it comes with a free jizzle.
Yep. Come here, whip it out. We gotta do a demonstration. Oh my god, I'm about to pour brake fluid all over myself.
He's talking to you.
Get that sucker out.
Let's see that
Going
cut.
butthole or?
Well, whatever you want. You know what? B-hole.
Smart man.
I knew he was into that sort of thing. Right now, I'm about to suck as much of the fluid out of the master cylinder reservoir as possible because I don't want that shit just dripping on me the whole time. It's still gonna drip a lot, but less fluid in there, less to drip out.
Shit dirty.
Dude.
That shit real dirty.
Yeah, I'm gonna need a light actually, so let's stick that puppy in there. This is really loud on camera. Oh my. Broil?
Julian! I don't know where I felt like I get a little drink around here, do you, bud?
Is it rolling?
Yeah, it's rolling.
Get a shot of these really good knockoff command strips.
And how about that brake line,
We got 4 of these knockoff hyper tough command strips. Look how sticky they are.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, you're gonna ruin my brake line.
Your brake line. Alright, now Max is up.
No, I think you should explain it now, bitch.
Fuck, dude, I already got these cool strips in there.
Guys, I have a boner.
What?
Disregard. Didn't happen.
There's only guys here.
So we started running that line from that compression fitting up front that's through this OEM hole.
That's the clean access brake line hole.
Oh, yeah. It's for access to the brake lines. And so that compression fitting up there, I only used half of a new one, reused this other part because I'm a hack. And instead of tucking it up underneath the frame really nice, because like I do good work, I decided that this car doesn't deserve it. And I just ran it underneath the floor in between the frame, and this cross member and the floor. Straight line. Dude, the floor right here.
Come on.
And then I drilled the giant ass hole. Oh my god. Sorry, Titch just had a seizure. And I just drilled a giant hole in the floor right there because that one wasn't big enough. And so I put it through there. And I liked it round better than the kind of trapezoid type there. That just isn't appealing to me.
It's the sickest trapezoid I've ever seen.
And rhombus, whatever you want to call it, I don't know, dude. And so, yeah, no, I decided to keep it one piece, and we didn't have enough to make it nice and tuck it along the floor, so.
Hello, motherfucker.
Hey, you see that? Look at that.
Hey.
Will's gonna drop rust in your mouth right now.
Can't get it off, it's too strong. It's just a tight fit.
So, what was I saying? My hair just got stuck in the vent.
You came up through the floor in that hole.
So yeah, we didn't have enough line to make it nice and tuck it along the floor, so I was just like, F it, bro. And then I just bent that up.
Oh, I just kinked it.
Yeah. So I'm gonna have to make a new line. Just kidding. So yeah, now I'm just gonna do the outlet real quick and gonna make it just as bad as this.
Hopefully worse. Alright, let's get to it.
Yep. I had 2 weeks off, that's it. Like the initial kind of 2-week shutdown that everybody had.
Like in March or whatever?
Yeah, I can't even remember. Time has just been...
What the f are you guys watching?
Into me. Someone short or on their knees can go down on me. And
Good! Good!
Fucking breaker bar on that thing.
usually the school probably will like.
Who needs a breaker bar, bro?
I'm so glad I didn't drive here tonight. Put it in your butthole and try it. Buddy's torch. Oh. Careful.
Oh my god.
Are you okay?
I almost had it, dude.
Are you okay? Do I need to call the ambulance?
To the top right there.
I'm gonna do it right in the center of the A, huh?
It's not gonna work.
You're not gonna work. It punched so hard.
You almost stepped in the beer, Tit.
Someone drink that up. It's a waste.
Yeah!
Tastes like not good.
I just shotgun for the first time in my life. So fucking
Filming right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Okay. Alright, Craftsman for Kraft mac and cheese titties. There's a compression fitting right there. Alright, so honestly, this shit would not really move all that good, so I just reused it. And then I just put the rest of the new one on there. So hopefully it doesn't leak. I just went straight on this crusty part here, went between the trans cross member and the floorboard, and up through that hole right there. And oh fuck! It comes through the floor through this hole that I drilled with a hole saw. Right on the money. Still the same piece of line, and I did a really good job making it nice and straight. And then I just straight in. And then this one I actually did pretty good. I tried like a little bit. So I got kind of a nice bend.
That's a 10.
Just takes a 90 here, and then through the floor. So I'm gonna move my creeper. What are you doing right now? Are you okay? Are you playing sex noises right now, dude? No. And then goes through the floor right here. Takes a 90 immediately. A little more than 90, I guess. And then, yeah, tucks right back in the frame rail and the floorboard. Oh, your elbow's on my wiener.
Yeah!
Another 90 right here. Yeah.
Yeah! Freeze frame!
Yeah. I'm stuck right now.
Come pull me from behind.
Oh my god, you want me to pull you from behind and get you unstuck?
Yes.
You're ridiculous, stepmom.
Holy shit, just noticed there's another compression fitting right there. That's cool. Is that the old brake line maybe? I don't know. What was I saying? Hey, you know what's funny?
You killed him.
You find that on Spotify, bro? What's wrong with you? You listen to porn sounds effects on Spotify. You're a sick. Call an ambulance. Ow.
How the f is that on Spotify?
Just fucking slobbered all over the place.
Mel? Yep. You need to leave now. This bitch is due for an oil change, bro.
fuck it. Just gotta measure on.
Wait, the motor's out. I forgot.
Oh yeah.
I pulled the motor on my daily to put it in a hydro.
Huh. That's weird how that works.
Now I'm gonna install a lawnmower engine.
My Subaru blew up.
I didn't build that motor. Jesus himself did.
And it blew up. Now
Even
I drive.
Jesus f***s a Subaru.
Now I drive a Volkswagen TDI. Diesel.
You let the
Hey,
glove box
careful
warm
with
up?
this fat. Bo sucks off a dude in this video. All the people who say, "Oh, f***ing,"
People say that?
people say all this shit so hard to f***ing bleed, bro. This shit easy. You guys are p***s. You know how to bleed brakes? You know how to bleed a f***ing hydro. If you have a problem bleeding a hydro, learn how to bleed brakes. I'm right now. But honestly, this was not hard to bleed.
Hell yeah.
Look, I'll let you in on a secret here. You ever bench bled a master cylinder? Do it the same way, baby. Look, we started bleeding right here at the inlet. You're not pointing at the inlet right now, I can tell.
No, no.
You're pointing at my.
No, I'm not.
Can you see where my finger is right here? Right here?
Yeah.
This line here? This inlet right here? See, I would crack it open, Bo would push down the pedal until we got fluid to this point.
Big squirts.
Big squirts. And then, you know, we kept on doing that. I'd crack it open, he'd push down the pedal, I'd close it, he'd lift up on the pedal. It's like bench bleeding, but in the car. If you know how to bleed brakes, you know what I'm talking about. If not, learn about it.
Wikipedia does
Get
good.
learned. Get learned, dude. Keep doing that. You'll get air out. Once air slows down, you travel over to here. Instead of pressing the brake pedal, we already got fluid to here, huh? You start pulling the hydro. I open this up, Bo pulls the hydro. We get fluid out of here.
Look. If you do it wrong the first time, you end up with a hole in the floor. Okay.
You only get one shot.
We figured out the second time.
No, we got it. We got it first time. Just someone else tried this before, and they did that. Someone just farting here. And then we do that to here. And then once we get fluid out of here, we know we got fluid through this nice slave cylinder here. This
Also
Wilwood.
known as a penis.
Yes, also known as a penis. Then we go back out to the rear wheels, huh? You with me, guy, right now? Go to the rear, do the same. Then bleed brakes like normal. If you don't know how to do this, you're just stupid, that's all. Hydros are hard to bleed. No, you're dumb, that's all. Alright, cut. We're done. Get the out of here. Huh? Get that camera out of my face. Oh my the fuck? MTV, get on my cramps!
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.